Hi guys, welcome back again to Natural Growth Secrets. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. So guys, today's video we are going to be making a very simple DIY hair growth mask. This is going to be a very great simple mask that you can use on your scalp. It helps to detoxify your scalp and also help to cleanse your scalp. If you're having any issue with your scalp or you want to promote a healthy hair growth, this is a simple remedy that you can use, guys. I absolutely love this remedy. So this remedy helps with hair growth. It is very rich in essential nutrients, a lot of nutrients, guys. So we will be making use of onion and egg. Okay guys, we will be making use of egg white. Egg white is very amazing for the hair, and also eggs contain over 20 vital nutrients which are important for hair care. So you can also make use of both the egg white and the yolk, but I'm going to be making use of the egg white. The yolk is very moisturizing. Don't throw it away. You can use it on your ends, on the ends of your hair. It helps to prevent split ends. But when you want to focus on your scalp, you can use the egg white because it helps with detoxifying your scalp and also help to cleanse your scalp in case you have greasiness or your scalp is very oily due to the product that you normally apply. Egg white is good for cleansing the scalp. It helps to detoxify the scalp, like I said earlier. So all you're going to do is just to blend your onion and your egg white together and then go ahead to strain it. After straining it, like you guys can see what I am doing here, I am then going to add in my oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'll be adding in my olive oil, and you can add in any oil mixture that you have at home. So go ahead to add in any oil of your choice and then package it in a spray bottle or in any container that will be great to apply on your hair. So guys, I am going to package this on this container right here, and then I'm going to go ahead to use this to cleanse my scalp. It helps to detoxify the scalp. It helps to cleanse the scalp. If your scalp is oily, if it is greasy, if it is having any issue, like you want to promote a healthy growth, like our hair grow from the scalp. Okay, when your scalp is healthy, like I always say, if you have been following me for a while now, you know that I pay attention to the scalp, especially to the scalp, because when the scalp is healthy, then your hair will grow and flourish, and it will just excel. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed this simple remedy. This is a very simple remedy, a home remedy that anyone can use. Like, it is very simple, and like I said, you don't have to throw away the egg yolk. You can use it on your ends, the ends of your hair. It is also moisturizing. So guys, that is it for this hair mask. Go ahead to apply it on your scalp and on your hair. I'm going to also pay attention to my scalp. I will section my hair, apply this on my scalp, and give my hair a thorough massage. Massaging your scalp and hair with this mask can boost hair growth. It enhances thickness and keep your hair away from frizz as well. It also keep your hair away from frizziness. If your scalp is greasy, you can use this hair mask. It is amazing. It also helps to soften your hair and also promote hair growth, like I said earlier. So guys, it also helps with strength. It strengthens your hair. When your hair is full of strength, it hardly break. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoy this remedy. Our 5-month hair growth challenge is coming to an end next month. We started our hair growth challenge. I don't know if you guys are following the challenge, but I started my hair growth challenge few months back, which was in June, or like July. I started this challenge July, and then I am going to be ending it on next month, which is December, making it 5 months hair growth challenge. And yeah, my hair has been following. I've been using natural remedies, no heat, no chemical on my hair, just the simple natural DIY that I normally make: my hair butter, my hair oil, my hair growth mask, and some treatments that I normally make and share with you on this channel. I've been using those ingredients. I've not been using any heat, and the challenge will be ending next month. So guys, go ahead to apply this mask, and just go ahead to apply it. Cover your hair with your plastic bag. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't worry, another challenge will be coming soon, starting after ending this one. So in case you did not follow up, No problem. Okay, guys, you are not left behind. Another one will be coming soon. So, guys, please go ahead to subscribe, follow this channel, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that when I upload a video, you will not miss it, guys. So, go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about this hair mask, guys. I absolutely love it. So, cover your hair, wash your hair. Don't wash your hair with hot water so that you will not go and cook the egg on your hair. So go ahead to wash it out and then apply your moisturizer, apply any treatment or sealant that you normally apply to your hair. So guys, this is my hair. It is absolutely amazing. I went ahead to stretch it a little bit with my threading. So guys, and then this is what my hair looks like. It is absolutely shiny, very soft, and I am loving it, guys. And my hair is very healthy, as you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys find it helpful. Go ahead to like this video, share this video, subscribe, and leave us a comment down below in the comment section. And this is the back of my hair. I went ahead to also apply my hair butter, which I made few days ago. I'll be leaving it in the link in the description box. The hair butter is amazing. You can use it on your hair to style your hair, to do a braid. You can use it as a mask. You can use that hair butter in so many ways, guys. So I hope you guys find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye for now, guys. God bless you all for watching, and thank you guys, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.